Hello everyone, it's Jim with Jim's Garage Toys, and I want to do a little video on something that I'm going to be installing on my GR Corolla. So I have recently gotten together with Extreme Online Store, and with them they are sponsoring me, and so I am going to be putting some of their products onto my car and doing some installation videos and reviews on them for others to see, and what they offer and for our car as they basically come up with products and keep coming out with more things for the car. So I have my first part that I'm going to be using and installing, and so this is the first package I got, and so let me show you what we have here. So I got this large flat box, and it has something very special inside of it. Let's see. There we go. I think most of you can guess what that is. And yes, you would be right. It is a front lip splitter. All right. Let's take a look at this. Oh, yeah. Oh, this looks fantastic. Wow. Absolutely beautiful. Boy, this looks nice. Very, very, very nice carbon fiber. Looks like we've got parts that bolt into the OEM positions right here, using the OEM bolts, and then additional supports. And I did notice that it came with some 3M tape also for additional structural. So, all right. So there's the teaser, guys. So it will be installed onto the nose. So here is the package with, there's actually 2 rolls of tape, plenty of screws, and then some wipes, alcohol wipes. So yeah, we'll be all set to get that on there. These holes right here line up with the main bolts underneath the front lip of the car, and then all the smaller ones like these are designed to give additional support that they provide with the 3M tape and the additional screws. So we'll go ahead and wipe down and prep the surface. They do give you some wipes and stuff. I also have my own bottle that I just typically use, and I'll go ahead and get that wiped, and we'll go ahead and get it installed. See how it looks. So they provided 2 things of tape And I used one complete roll to go all the way around, as you can see here. And so I have a spare, and I'm going to hang on to that. I don't think I need to put another layer of it, kind of looking where the tape is going to be adhering. I don't want it to go on and hit the under tray here. So just adhere to the lip itself. So I'm going to go with there. So now I just need to peel off this for the tape, and we'll get it stuck in place and attach the screws, and we should be done, and we'll see how it looks. So what I did initially is I took the large screws that went into the factory positions, and I threaded them through the holes right here, as you can see. I threaded them through the holes on the bottom of the spoiler on the lip, and I did the first three kind of in the middle here, and I started them and got the front of it lined up, and that way it held the lip up, and so now I can see, like right there, I can see another hole. So I can go ahead and get the next screw started, and I'll get that one done. And then there's another one right there, and then work my way around. So there's two more. There's one right there, and there's one on the end. And then there are places to put additional screws. So along the front of the lip. So we shall, oh, and actually that is what that one is. That's the front, that's an additional screw right there. So, and you have to actually look for them. I didn't realize it until later, but you can see right there where they are. The bigger factory screw is back here. So, but you can see where they drilled them. What I should have done was drilled them out a little bit better, just so I could have seen it more easily, but that's okay. I can see where they are, and I'll go ahead and put the additional screws where the little grommets are and go from there. And then this right here, this kind of lines up right here with this inner piece right here, and not with the wider piece. So, but this all lines up well. This will get sucked up like that. So, yeah, that's going to look really, really nice. The front of it here, once it's all done, I don't know if it will need additional screws, even though there are places for them, but we'll see. We'll see how it does. Now I just put one screw on that position. See if I can show it to you guys right here. One screw right in this corner, and it sucked it up so tight. It's just amazing. So look and see, there's another position right here for another one. So I'll put these where they call for, and there's another one right there. There's a factory bolt all the way back there. So, and I'll look at them, there's a couple here too. The factory bolts are farther behind. So I'll go ahead and do those. We'll be set. So I am going to show you from underneath here how easy this is. So here's one of the additional screws. Here's one of the factory bolts right here. And this is the additional support, and this is where the tape runs, right along this seam right here. And you can see there's another hole that was pre-drilled. So that is for the additional screws. So I'm going to take a screw and put it on. If you guys have one of these, this is a old Milwaukee, little battery operated ratchet. I've got a screw drive on the end of it. So this makes this so easy just to kind of settle into the hole. It wants a little bit of leverage. So what I have to do is kind of push on it and give it just so it can break through. But there it is. It's super simple. So you can just go right down the line and add these additional screws to all the holes, and it'll be nice and sturdy. So, and you can see from the front that it lines up beautifully. Looks fantastic. I do love that it follows the curve of the front of the car. So, all right, let's get the rest of those screws in. We'll be done. So, from the front, looks pretty amazing. Yeah. All right, let's get it on the ground and see what it looks like. There we go. So, there it is. Looks great on there. So I'll put the link to it if you would like to get one. They are not nearly as expensive as a lot of other ones that I've seen online. So it is a very nice addition for your GR Corolla at a fraction of the cost of some of the other ones. And easy to put on. The shipping was fast. That was packaged really well. No damage to it. I can't say enough about it, really. Excellent product for it. So if you like this and appreciate the video for it, please smash the like and subscribe, and help me grow the channel, guys. So until next time, we'll see you down the road.